Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I'm going to review Numbuzin number 5 Goodbye Blemish Serum. 50 ml of quantity retails for price 2250 rupees. Available on Maccaron app. I had bought this in discounted price, nearly 30 to 35 discount or something. Coupon is available, so please check that out before buying the product. You will get much more discount. Here, what it claims, it provides blemish free skin with pure vitamins, brighten the skin tone, helps to fade the dark spots, freckles, marks of pigmentation. Suitable for daily use, restore the moisture of the skin and evens out the skin tone. Each number of serum represents answer to solve your skin problems. It contains glycerin, niacinamide, turmeric root extract, lemon peel extract or oil, orange peel oil, licorice root extract, rosemary leaf extract, Centella asiatica extract, ascorbic acid, panthenol, sodium hyaluronate, allantoin, and water, and other ingredients too. Let's see how to use. Pump 2 to 3 times, apply it on the clean face. You can apply this on the entire face, but I don't use this on entire face. I use this on the affected area, and then remaining I pat it all over the face. Here is my review. I have oily sensitive acne prone skin. I had exhausted more than a half bottle now, and now giving the review. First thing, it suits me well. Didn't give me any irritation, no tingling, no burning sensation. But don't use this on cuts because it tingles a lot there. It is very mild on my skin. The consistency is awesome. Gel liquid, thick consistency, very nourishing formula and doesn't dry out the skin. Citrusy fragrance I can smell. But it is fragrance free, right? They didn't mention that clearly on the website. You can check that out. It contains lemon peel oil and orange peel oil. So that's why maybe I'm enjoying the serum. I like the consistency, very smooth finishing, like a primer, not that sticky or tacky, but it take 3 to 4 minutes to get fully absorbed into the skin. I use two pumps. Two pumps are more than enough for my skin. I use this in the morning, then apply moisturizer and then proceed with the sunscreen. Now the results. Main purpose to buy this serum, it didn't fade in my stubborn dark spots. Just a little bit difference. I will not buy this again. It is good for glow. I can buy other things to get the glow. People love this product. They are seeing it fading the dark spots. Might be it shown the results to them. I'll share the comment below to this video. When I will completely exhaust this product till it didn't fade the dark spots, please don't get offended. If it's shown you some results like faded your dark spots, then I'm very happy for you. Hope this will show you some results. Yes, you can give it a try. It gave me slight glow. My skin looks quite glowy whenever I apply this. I wanted to try their number 3 toner, but it contains fragrance. If they offer the fragrance free formula, then I'll definitely try that out. The quality of the serum is very good, which I like the most. Hope this video is helpful. Let me know your thoughts if you have also tried this product. You can share that in the comment, and please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.